My son really likes this product. He and his grandfather were able to communicate while hunting. He says that it really improved his hunting experience. He shot one first day out, so we will have to update next season. Must have for all hunters. Easy to track each person's location. And I felt like he was safer. It makes us feel more secure in the mountains. I have had many Garmin products in the past. I love their Phoenix Watch series and have grown quite used to their software for managing devices. I was quite pleased to find that the 755t fits into that ecosystem as well. There are near-daily updates for software and maps. Some may find this annoying. I, however, as a software developer, am pleased to see that they are actively improving the tool constantly. I subscribed to their Bird's Eye map service, cheap per year person shrugging, so why not? This adds much higher res Google-like topo maps for areas that you plan to trek to. You do have to download it on your computer, then push it across to your GPS. Walked outside, and there was my house and land and outbuildings in pretty current and great detail. The device seems incredibly accurate. I love that I can get weather information directly on it. I love that it doubles as a backup radio for other users in my group with this handset. Perfect for everything carried, must provide more than one purpose. This satisfies that requirement and then some. The ability to pre-plan routes and get voice prompts for when you are on a long adventure. And getting sleepy is awesome. I do suggest that you carry some backup batteries and a solar array for your backpack just to be safe. When I bought this, it seemed overpriced and I thought I'd regret it. I was wrong. It's not the best radio for indoor use, but that's not what I bought it for. Outside it works flawlessly. Paired with the ONX Hunt chip, this radio GPS unit is perfect for hunting, hiking and many other outdoor activities. Compared to other GPSs, I love this one much better. It is a nice size screen, while battery life is very good. As a standalone GPS, you can turn the radio off. The battery will give you well over 12 hours of life, plus if you wish, you can buy the AA pack for it, extending life away from a power source for days. The AA batteries do limit the radio's output. Attempting to learn where everything is seems to be a challenge. Hard to find exactly where to find the options you want. The radio was well thought out, making the channels line up with FRS channels. The touch screen is nice, making getting around much faster. You can also customize it in your order to limits. So you ask, why 3 stars? Well, here are the issues. Although they did make this model over the prior model charge with a USB plug, but does take a very long time to charge. The included topical 100 kelvins map is not too bad, does the job but not all that accurate. The Bird's Eye option with 1 year free download is more of a joke. You will need 1 year just to get what you want. Limiting the USB flash card to 32 gig was another mistake. With today's technology it should be 128 gig. So more detail on the Bird's Eye view. If and when you do connect to the server with your computer, size of the area you download is rather small. Overlapping map areas happens too easy, as not getting all of the area is also hard to do. Download speeds are a total joke. If you can get 250k of data in 5 to 10 minutes, feel lucky. We travel all parts of Wisconsin, so I attempted to download the state and broke it down to north and south. There are more maps involved than counties, a lot more. After 2 weeks of screwing around, I now have only 70% of it. When attempting to continue, it give me an error, found the server offline. I do not know if the speed issue is because too many people on at one time or they are limiting it for some reason. Each map should take no more than 30 seconds. A map, per se, is a small section of the area you want. So one map is about the size of Dane County, Madison area. Never could figure out a good way of downloading my maps into TUnit. Overall, it would not take much for this unit to be awesome. Fix bird's eye for larger area and faster downloads. Increase the USB card from 32 GB to 128 GB, along with a few quirks in the programming. Like once the radio is switched off, it stays off period. Had the unit lock up on me 2 times. Removal of battery resolved it. If the issues above were solved, easy 5 stars. As an idea, this unit is a 5-star unit. As is, it is only a 3-star unit. Outstanding device. Took some time to learn how to maneuver it, but well worth the effort. It has opened up new areas in the wilderness without the fear of getting lost. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.